guys, welcome to the short video about how large solar lights are holding up over months and years. So I have here a lot of large panels, but I'm using also a lot of smaller solar lights, and compared to smaller lights, the larger lights are holding up much better. I mean, I'm not talking about that they are more beautiful over time or holding up more nicely and beautiful. They definitely collect a lot of rust, or they can collect a lot of rust, which you can see here. This one has been outside for around 4 years, some of them 3 years, 2 years, around that. I think the minimum is around 2 years, and you can see really a lot of rust apart from the insects, a lot of spiders, but nothing too crazy as far as I can see, and all the lights are holding up really nicely. Here we can also see the solar panels. Also the solar panels look really good. I mean, I haven't even been cleaning this one and it looks really like in good condition. Also this light going still very strong. By the way, of course it's not flickering, that's just a thing from my camera. Also this one here, watch this thing, solar panel still really good. And when I turn it around, maybe if we are a little bit lucky, we can see the light. Yeah, you can see that here now. Same thing here, a lot of rust. I think that's the worst thing. Also together with this one here, collected a lot of rust, but it's still going strong. Maybe a little bit cloudy here on the solar panel, but underneath doing really good. What's surprisingly good as well, that I can't see any single LED bulb which is not illuminated anymore. Yeah, this one not turning on for some reason. Maybe there's too much light here on the side. But as far as I could see, there's also no problem with these LED lights. So pretty impressive. Maybe let's also check this panel here from this side. Also looking good. So usually the panels looking good, the lights looking good, but the mounts and the frames can collect or produce a lot of rust. But that's of course no problem with the functionality. And it's also not only that they are holding up a little bit and illuminating a little bit. I haven't seen any major reduction in illumination time, especially the oldest one. The oldest one is this one here, and that's usually illuminating the area till morning 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, now almost until it's getting bright again in the morning. And this one is definitely around 4 years old, has been sitting outside or actually mounted here to this tree up there, also during some hurricanes, and that while smaller lights, something like that, have been failing a lot. I've been replacing smaller solar lights over and over, but none of these large solar lights have ever completely failed. That's the really impressive thing. So of course they are also a little bit more expensive, but sometimes they are not much more expensive than smaller ones, and so it could definitely be worse to invest into larger solar panels instead of just buying smaller ones over and over again. So this is what I wanted to show you here, because I removed all the solar lights now and I'm moving to another place. So that's definitely one of the last videos here. Was a really nice time. Loved this tree, at least as long as it was not dropping stuff, but it was pretty much constantly dropping stuff. You can see that here. You can clean in the morning, and in the evening it looks always like that, pretty much a mess. And that's even not the worst thing. Usually it looks even much worse than that. So actually not really missing this tree, but the home was really nice, beautiful. We had a good time. So I would say that was it from here. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.